Okay, in this video, we're going to solve this problem right here, and we're going to use a substitution method. And so let's begin. So we had to choose a variable we want to isolate. I'm going to go ahead and choose x. So what I'm going to do is subtract 5y on both sides, and I'm going to get 2x is equal to 11 minus 5y. Now here we have 3x, so we need to get x by itself. So I'm going to divide this piece by 2, this piece by 2, this piece by 2, and we're going to get x is equal to 11 divided by 2 minus 5 divided by 2y. Once we have it in this form, what we're going to do is substitute in for this x right here. So we'll say we have 3 parentheses 11 divided by 2 minus 5 divided by 2y, close parentheses, minus 2y is equal to negative 12. Now we're going to use the distributive property. We'll do 3 times 11 and 3 times negative 5. So 3 times 11 will give us 33 divided by 2 because we have a fraction. Likewise, 3 times negative 5 will give us negative 15 divided by 2, and we'll keep our y. This is minus 2y. It stays the same because there's no parentheses, is equal to negative 12. Now, to make our lives easier and to avoid the fraction, we're going to multiply everything by 2. Now we can do this because we're multiplying everything to the left of the equal sign and everything to the right of the equal sign by the same number. And so we're going to get 33 minus 15y minus 4y is equal to negative 24. At this point, I'm going to subtract 33 here, subtract 33 here. Then I'm going to combine negative 15y with negative 4y, and we'll get negative 19y is equal to negative 57. Then we can divide by negative 19, divide by negative 19 in order to isolate y, and so y is going to equal to 3. Now we're almost done. We have y and we have an equation for x. X is equal to 11 divided by 2 minus 5 divided by 2y, but we know y is 3, so we can swap here. So we'll say x is equal to 11 divided by 2 minus 5 divided by 2 parentheses 3. And so we're going to get, again, 11 divided by 2. Negative 5 times 3 is negative 15. So we have negative 15 divided by 2. And 11 minus 15 will give us negative 4. So we have negative 4 divided by 2, which is negative 2. And so we can say that x is equal to negative 2. So now we have both x and y. But it's always a good idea. We did all this work. We got to double check, make sure our answer is actually correct. So we're going to plug in negative 2 for x and 3 for y. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. 5 times 3 is 15. 15 minus 4 is 11. That checks out. Then do the other equation. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. Negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. Negative 6 is negative 12. And so that's correct. And so if you want more problem, check out the description box.